Akada, children's book festival.
If I were to ask you, what do you think money cannot buy? What do you think money cannot buy? I need somebody to come out and tell me, just one person.
You can't buy happiness, you can't buy joy.
Very good, thank you. Very good. Money cannot buy happiness, money cannot buy joy, money cannot even buy love. So now that you know what money is, what we use to buy something that we need or we want, and we've also seen that money started as a result of people trying to know the exact amount I am getting for whatever I need. The next thing is the 3 money skills. I want everybody to pay attention because that is where I'm going to draw my questions from. The 3 money skills that you should know. The very first one, what's the first jar here? Save. Save. Please note it. From this book, Grandma taught Bisola, and that is what I'm teaching you today, that for every money that you get, make sure you save a part. What did I say? So it's very important that you note. If you are writing down, please note this. Save before you spend. What did I say?
Save before you spend.
So if auntie gives you money, or uncle gives you money, or daddy gives you money, make sure that you take a little aside from that money and you save it. When you save, what it does is that you are able to keep money for emergencies, you are able to keep money for bigger things. Maybe you want to buy something at Christmas, this is October, and by December you may want to buy school bag or something. So you need to learn to always save before you. Very good. So that is the first money skill. What did I call it? Save. The very first one, save. And I said, ensure that you save before you spend. Okay. The second one I'm going to talk about is, what's this jar? Wow, spend jar. I know a lot of us like this spend jar. You know, we like to buy candies, we like to buy chocolates, you know. How many of us are taking chocolate today? Oh, I can see. We all love those very sweet things. But listen to this underspending. Bisola's grandmother taught her that you should spend more on your needs than your wants. What did I say? Spend more on your needs than your... So we spend money for things that we want to buy, but it's important that we learn to spend on what we need more than what we want. So I'm going to ask a question. What are the things that we need? When we say something that we need, what do we mean by that? Okay, come quickly.
Clothes.
Clothes. That means the things that you cannot do without, that you need for survival. What else?
School bag.
School bag, because education is very good. You need to put your books in there. Who's going to help me again? Come quickly. Food. Did you say food? Very good. Food. Okay. What else? Textbooks. Okay, and shelter. Now, I want to ask us a very, very dicey question. Food is very, very important. It is a need, right? Okay, so if you have rice and you have pizza, which one are we going to put under need? Which one are we going to put under want? Okay, so it's okay. I needed to say that so that you can be able to differentiate between what is needed, what you need for survival, and what you just want, you just desire to have it. For example, ice cream. You know, for example, snacks. Yes, you might need it, but always check, is it actually needed for survival, or is it just something that you want? So the first money skill is what? The second? And the third, I'm going quickly to it. What jar is this? Give jar. Now, under the give jar, Bisola's grandma taught her that you should learn to give to help people. Help your friends, help your neighbors, help people around you, even your classmates. So whenever you give, what you do is that you're showing kindness and gratitude. giving makes your heart rich. Now, there's always something about giving. When you have money or when you have something and somebody needs it, it's always good to help that person with what you need. So, 3 money skills that we have learned. Just listen, I'm going to go over it again. And how can you as a child apply this from today? Because this workshop is for you to start something today. So after today, the first thing I want you all to do is to have what? To have what? To have your 3 jars. To have your 3 jars. And of course, some of us have piggy bank, so it's good. Your piggy bank will serve as your save jar, right? So, but what you should do is to have your 3 jars. And for the first jar, which is the save, every money that you get, what are you to do? Every money that you get, what should you do? Save before you. So that means when you are giving 1,000 naira, you must learn how to be able to put that 1,000 naira in these 3 jars. Put in your save, put in your spend, and put in your give jar. Spending, make a list of everything that you want to spend and check, is it needed or is it just a want? I hope you are listening to me. And therefore give. When you put money in your give jar and you see that somebody needs help, then you learn to give and help the person. So, very important. I'm going to ask one person or 2 people to come up very soon when I'm through. And you're going to be telling me how you're going to share money into these jars. Now, it's also important for us to know the value of money. And for you to know the value of money, it's not how much you have, but how well you are able to use the money that you have. Children, are you listening? It's not how much you have, but how well you are able to use the money that you have. And that is why I've spoken about the 3 jars. The 3 jars and the 3 money skills that you need to have. So, just listen. There was 2 girls, or 2 friends, let me not say girls since we have boys here. 2 friends, and auntie gave one 500 and gave the other 500. One spent everything to buy chocolate and ice cream, and the other decided to put 300 in save, 100 in spend, and 100 in give jar. Now, at the end of this first term, they needed to buy something for Christmas. Do you know that A did not have any money because he has spent everything on ice cream and candy? Now, there's always a ratio that we advise that when you want to save at least 10% of every money that you get. But as children, you can actually save as much as 50%. Do you know why? Do you know why? Because daddy and mommy, they are the one giving you everything that you need. Or did anybody buy their clothes? Did you buy your school uniform? Okay, so you can see that your need, daddy and mommy, they are taking care of it. So you can put more of your money in your save jar so that you can have something for tomorrow. When you save, you are keeping something for tomorrow. It's like a seed for tomorrow. So, money has value and it helps you to reach your goals, whatever goals you have. Smart kids must learn to save, must learn to spend wisely, and must learn to give also. No matter how small it is, or no matter how small money you have, you must learn to always save, spend wisely, and be a blessing to another person. Did we hear everything I said? Okay. So I'm going to call out 3 people. Just wait. Just wait. I'm going to call out 3 people. And I'm going to give each of you 1,000 naira. I am going to share that 1,000 naira into these 3 jars. And you will tell me why you put what into whichever jar that you put it. Are we together? That's the first set of people. And then I'm now going to ask 3 people my questions. Those are the people that will get gifts. Okay, so you all have this 1,000 naira. So you're going to tell all of us how you're going to put this 1,000 naira into these jars and why. That is the very important thing for me. It's not just about putting it there. So why are you putting it there?
I'm putting 500 inside this one.
What's the jar called?
Save.
Okay.
I'm putting 100 in this one. And I'm putting 300, 400 inside here.
Okay, 400. Okay, so why are you doing that? Quickly, tell us.
Because if I save this one, I will have other money to spend. I will have another money in case I need it.
Okay.
Buy anything I need. I'll give somebody that needs it.
You give somebody that needs it. Can we clap for him? You can go. That's your gift. We can't hear you. 400, 200, 100. Okay, so 400, 100, and how much? 100. That's 600. What will happen to your 400? Are you going to give it back to me? Okay, so where are you going to put it? Because I will collect it back if you give me. You put it there. Okay, so that means you're going to put 400 here, 100 here, and 500 here. So why are you doing that? You're putting so much in give. Why?
Because it's good to save. And when I need anything, I can take the money from here. And if I see anybody begging, I can give them.
Oh, can we clap for her? You can go. That's your gift. That's your gift. Okay, so are you going to spend my 1,000 naira?
No.
You're not going to spend it. Okay, how are you going to put it in these jars?
I'm going to put it in this because I want to share and see that everywhere.
Okay, I didn't really hear what he said, but we just allow him to go. So you should learn to always save before you spend. Is that okay? You can go to your seat. Okay, so I'm going to be asking the 3 of them one question each, and if they get it, they go with a gift. Now, the first skill, money skill, is what? Saving. And what did I say about it?
That you should always save before you spend.
Oh, can we clap for her?
The next one. What is the letter S?
Later, I will sign it for you later. Okay, the second is spend. What did I say about spend? You didn't get it correctly?
We are paying for what we want. That's why we put money in.
No, you didn't get it correctly. You are going to answer that spend question. There was something I said about spend, and I asked you to listen attentively because my questions were going to come from there. So, the spend jar. What did I say about the spend jar?
Spend jar is when you see something that you want and you can buy it with your spend money.
Very good. But that is not what I'm looking for. So which one will help me? Auntie, help me get somebody. I said something about the spend jar. Because we're talking about learning the skills. There's something I said about the spend jar.
He said that we should spend more on our needs than on our wants.
Oh my, that's what I said. Please, I want us to note this word. Spend more on your needs than your wants. Thank you. And my last question. Auntie, one person. Okay. Okay, so the last jar is what? What did I say about the gift jar?
You said that we should give people we should give them when they need it.
We should give to help people or to bless others. Okay, quickly. Thank you very much. So children, let's remember the 3 money skills. Can we quickly say them together? Number 1, number 2, number 3, and save. What did I say about save? Save before you spend. Every money that you get, make sure you save something before you spend. Number 2, spend. And forgive. Give to help other people. Thank you very much.